Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stopping the heat source. Open Activity Monitor and force quit any process hogging CPU. This reduces workload immediately. Once done, disconnect external drives and Bluetooth devices and take off any protective case so airflow improves. Make sure to install pending Mac OS and app updates and then restart. These updates fix bugs that cause runaway CPU cycles, which is why a restart often lowers temperatures fast. Next, dig into longer running causes. Open users and groups right arrow login items and remove anything unnecessary so apps don't relaunch and run in background. Run Apple Diagnostics or a trusted temp monitor to spot thermal spikes and note which app or process coincides. If you have an Intel Mac, reset the SMC to clear power and fan control states. For Apple Silicon, follow the documented shutdown and restart sequence. These steps address hidden power management issues that keep your system hot. For the final pass, power down and use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to clean vents and keyboard gaps. Dust blocks convection and raises temps. If software fixes didn't help, back up with Time Machine and reinstall Mac OS to rule out corrupted system files. Test for overheating before restoring all data. Troubleshooting tip: if high temps persist after these steps, you likely have a hardware fault. Stop using the device under load and contact Apple or an authorized repair provider.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.